Okay guys, welcome to the Catfish Kitchen. Today we are making quick pickled shallots. There's the shallots that I used. I have 2 cups cut. I cut them this way, the long way, like this. If you cut this way, apparently the onions, anything in the onion family will fall apart over time. If you cut them this way, I don't know if it's true or not, but I'm not going to find out. So I cut them the long way, like this. Shallots, for me anyway, are sweeter than onion. You could use red onion for this. I like shallots better. It's very simple. We have cinnamon stick, star anise, some cloves. All of this goes into the pot. Sugar, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Shallots. And 1 cup of vinegar. I'm using white distilled vinegar, 5%. You could use apple cider. I'm sure that would work just the same. We're going to put this on the heat just to bring it to a simmer, just enough to dissolve the sugar. That's it. Only takes like a minute and a half. This is something that you can make it in the morning, eat it that night, you know. 8-12 hours it's ready to go. Try and break up, separate some of the pieces, not a big deal. But I'm standing here, I may as well do something. Stay busy. I'm putting this in a half-liter bottle, 500 milliliter bottle. Should all fit. That should do it. I don't see any sugar. Don't feel any sugar in the bottom. That should do it. Now the trick is to pour this in the bottle without a funnel. We do want to add the cinnamon stick and star anise and all of that. See, my bottle's full. Just want to get it so all the shallot is covered by the liquid. Looks pretty good, huh? Now this goes in the fridge, so I'm just using a plastic top. We're not going to seal it. That's a little bit too warm. Let it cool down. Put it in the fridge. Tomorrow we'll come back, do a taste test. Tastes very interesting right now. As those flavors develop in the fridge, this will be very good. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, taste test time. I tried this at 4 hours and again at 6 or 7 hours. It was ready to eat at 4 hours. It really was. Here's what it looks like. I haven't tried it today. Oh, that's so good. That's really good. I'm going to take the cinnamon stick out now. It's done its job. Nice chunk of wood. Now, I'm going to try something here. Make a little bit of a got some steamed tilapia in here. Put some of these shallots. I did this before with red onion, and that works really good. Although the shallots is a different flavor, much different flavor. Look at that, huh? Beauty. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. I like these just on the side, you know. That's how I normally eat stuff like this, but let's try something else. Got some tilapia. I have to do a video on this one sometime. That's really spicy. Oh my God, so delicious. Load her up, huh? Look at that, look at that. You know you want some. Oh my God. This here is peanut sauce. Lots of herbs in there. Oh man. That is so good. You really should try this. Look at the color. It's beautiful. Alright guys, well that's it. Link to the written recipe in the video description. It's really easy. I think you should give it a try. If you do try it, let me know. I'd like to know what you think. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Oh.